Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going to show you how to remove this infotainment system. So basically this is a 2D audio system, and if you are planning to upgrade this infotainment system to a touchscreen audio system or an Android audio system, so kindly watch the video till the end, it will be helpful for you. So in order to remove this infotainment system, you have to remove this frame. So in order to remove this frame, you have to have a tool something like this. So I am using a screwdriver. So as you can see, there is a gap between this and this frame on this side as well. So I will be using this like this, and then I will pull the frame out and the frame will get detached. Let me show it to you. So as you can see, now I have removed the frame, and this is how the frame looks like. In total there are 11 locks, as you can see. So coming to the infotainment system, there are 4 locks. So I have to remove these 4 bolts, then the infotainment system will come out. So in order to remove these bolts, I am using this T20 screwdriver. And before that, you have to remove this frame also. You can just pull it, it will easily come out. From down you have to just pull this like this, and it will easily get detached. And now the frame is completely out, and now I will remove these bolts. So this is how the bolt looks like. This is a T20 bolt. Let me keep it aside. So now I have removed the 4 bolts. So you have to just pull it out now like this, and the infotainment system will completely get detached. So behind this, there are 3 cables connected to this infotainment system. So this white one is for the radio one, and the red color is for the display, and the black color one is for the audio system. So let me detach and then show it to you. So now you can see I have removed the infotainment system, and this is how the infotainment system looks like. So here is the part number and all that stuff, and here the FM radio wire gets connected, and the red one gets connected for the display, and the black one gets connected for the audio system. And let me show you the wire also. So this is for the radio wire, and then this is the cable for the display, and this is for the audio system. So these are how the wires looks like. In total there are 3 wires. So if you upgrade to a Android audio system, there will be extra wiring. Apart from that, installing and removing is the same. So now let me show you how to put it back. So now I have connected all the cables, and let me turn it on. So as you can see, the red wire which I was showing you was for the display, and the volume is the black cable which I was showing you. So now let me put the bolts back again. So now I have put the bolts back into its place, and now I have to put the lower frame back again. So putting this frame is very easy. You have to just push it and you will get a tick sound. And now you can see the lower frame is completely in its place. And now let me put the upper frame. Putting the upper frame is also very easy. You have to just push it and you will be getting a tick sound like this. So now the frame is completely set, and this is how the infotainment system looks like. So make sure that everything is in a perfect position. So this is how we remove and install the infotainment system. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions, you are free to comment in the comment section box below. So see you soon in the next video guys. Bye bye.